What's good, y'all? Oh, I had something on my face. Anywho, I'm about to get down to it. Y'all already know what the title is, so y'all see that I'm about to plastic dip my rims, and they're gonna be black, of course. So, about to black this thing out. Let's get into it. I hope y'all having a wonderful day, because I know I am. It's nice and cloudy. Wait, why'd I say cloudy? I meant to say that there's no clouds. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Anyway, let's get down to it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. They're pretty clean like this, you know what I'm saying? But I want to give it a meaner look. So we're going to be doing the black, which I'm pretty sure is going to come out really nice because my cousin here has his done black, and I'm really in love with his. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm learning, by the way, so we're just going to try to wing it. Okay, so first things first, I just want to go ahead and wipe all this down, you know, so I can have a clean surface. You know what I'm saying? So give it a little detail clean, quick little wipe down, you feel me? Don't want to put plastic dip on no, you know, dirty tire, you feel me? Or dirty rims. So just getting it really good, you know? And I'm gonna come back whenever I show y'all how to, you know, apply the paint and stuff. Okay, so now that I have it all wiped down and stuff and put tape on it and everything, I had to put this obviously around the rotor, and you know, so I don't paint that, and the center cap right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I got tape around this too. But yeah, now pretty much what I do is just, you know, get a little light spray on there just to give it its first coat, and I guess I'm guessing I'm gonna let it dry. All right, I done got it wiped down and stuff, and pretty much all I got to do now is finish taping this up, of course, because I don't want to turn that black. Obviously, I have this taped up so I don't get that, and the rotor and stuff is, you know, plastic. Oh look, I don't know why I said that. Anyway, now all I have to do is just get a little thin coat on this, and we'll see where it goes after that. I just got to go back and watch the video and see what else he did, because I don't know. Like I said, YouTube is my friend. Okay, so now that I have that all wiped down and taped up, pretty much what I'm going to do is put a little light coat, obviously, you know, because you don't want to just go to spraying, and that's not how you do it. So I'm going to put a light coat up here with the plastic dip, and I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to come back and put another layer on there. And yeah, but one thing that I will mention, it's probably not a good idea to be doing this while it's windy. So we're gonna see how this all goes. I'm gonna try to be careful, but hopefully I can get it done without, you know, messing anything up. But yeah. All right, it's not really windy right now, so I'm gonna try to get this real quick while it's not. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. Now that, you know, I have everything completely painted on there. I might have to go over, you know, a little couple of spots, but for my first one, this is pretty good. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. Alright, so I got this completely touched up. You know, I went through and did all the little extra stuff. Now I'm just about to peel this tape off and reveal this bottom piece. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize it was like that. It's the actual plastic dip coming off of the tape. But that's not actually what I want. This is gonna be hard to do. Oh my gosh. It just, okay. does the wind want to blow today? Okay, so I'm gonna just I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands, so I'll come back to y'all whenever I got all this tape off. Bro, I'm sitting here recording and my little brother passed by. There he is right there. I was like, I know that's him. This man right here. I saw them pass by. Yeah, I was like, is that City or what? Because I was like, he the only person with that car around here, especially in that color. Yeah. All right, well, looks like my phone wanted to die midway through the video, but I did finish. There's minor touch-ups that I have to do. This one's completely done. As y'all can see, it looks pretty good. But it's almost dark and I had to hurry up, and I still got to take the plastic out of here and take the, yeah. But yeah, man, all in all, it looks great. It took me a while, but I got it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, man, that truck looks amazing. To me, honestly, this gives the car a whole new look. Makes it look more aggressive. Yeah, it makes it look more aggressive. To me, at least. Because with the, I mean, the silver was nice, but I feel like the black gives it that fast look, in my opinion. But I'm really loving it right now. It took a lot of hard work. It took me like 3 hours to do this job, bro. Hey man, if y'all made it this far in the video, that means you made it to the end and you watched it all the way through. If you watched it all the way through, I mess with you for real. But hey, y'all clicking on my video is a blessing, so I'm thankful for that too. You know, can't complain, man. But I'll see you on the next video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Leave a like, comment if you will, and subscribe if you haven't already. Cause like, why would you be watching me and not subscribe? You know what I'm saying? That don't even make sense. But hey man, y'all have a blessed day. See y'all later.